So we're going to start out by making cauliflower couscous.
Ooh.
It's very, very easy.
Okay.
And you can do it at home. The only piece of equipment you need is a Cuisinart or a food processor, and it almost comes out like rice.
Okay.
Everybody will like it, and it'll be a nice vegetarian side dish.
Okay, and that's very relevant now. Everyone's making this cauliflower rice, cauliflower couscous, so it's gonna be great.
Yeah, so we first start out with a head of cauliflower.
Okay.
And it's just a whole head of cauliflower. You're gonna take off all the leaves on the bottom, and you're gonna just take off the stem out of the center.
Oh, I see.
And you just put these whole pieces right in this Cuisinart.
And cauliflower is full of water, so it's such a great vegetable to hydrate you, full of vitamins.
And I would say, you know, kids sometimes don't even know that they're eating a vegetable when you serve it to them that way. So
Exactly.
you don't have to tell them it's cauliflower.
Exactly, that's true.
I used to call cauliflower white broccoli to my kids.
Oh, there you go.
Because I knew they like broccoli.